Hi, I'm Isaiah Thompson, and today's video will be on comets, what they are and a few of their physical properties. So what is a comet? A comet is a relatively small icy body in the solar system in orbit around the sun. The nucleus of a comet somewhat resembles a dirty snowball, a huge chunk of ice, several hundred feet to a few dozen kilometers in diameter, mixed with rock and dust particles from the outer solar system. Comets can follow two different orbits. Short period comets return to the inner solar system every decade or so. These you may see a few times in one lifetime. Long period comets, on the other hand, follow huge elliptical orbits around the sun. They spend most of their time in the outer solar system, beyond Neptune. After a long period comet is seen from Earth, it may take another few thousand years before it can be seen again. Unusually bright comets that pass close to Earth in their orbit are known as great comets. Two pretty well-known comets, Halley's Comet and Comet Hale-Bopp, are both examples of great comets. The ominous appearance of a comet makes it no surprise that ancient cultures saw them as bad omens. Although a comet itself is just a chunk of ice, if a comet approaches the sun in its orbit, it develops a cloud that surrounds the nucleus called the coma. The coma is made up of particles that are heated by the sun's radiation. But at its closest to the sun, a comet develops two distinct tails. A blue tail, made of mostly gases blown off from the comet as it moves, and a white tail, made up of dust particles. Every once in a while, a comet undergoes a breakup or collision with an asteroid or maybe even another planet, as in the case of Comet Shoemaker-Levy 9. In 1994, this small comet strayed too close to Jupiter in its orbit, and the giant planet's gravity broke it up. One by one, 26 fragments of the previous comet nucleus slammed into Jupiter, leaving a considerably large crater in the atmosphere of the planet. We know comets orbit the sun, but we don't exactly know where they originate. Some astronomers say they come from the Kuiper Belt, but others propose a hypothetical cloud of several million comet nuclei that surrounds the solar system 1/4 the distance to the next star, Alpha Centauri. It's never been observed, therefore it's only a theory. We don't actually know it exists. Comets have been under intensive study over the past couple decades, and a couple space probes have even been sent to comets. One, for example, landed on the nucleus of a comet to collect samples to return to Earth. Another one passed through the tail of a comet, studying the gases that a comet leaves in its wake. Speaking of gases, you may be familiar with meteor showers. Meteor showers consist of many points of light that fly through the sky at enormous speeds. We call these shooting stars. Well, it's pretty well known that a shooting star isn't actually a star. It's actually a minuscule meteoroid, about the size of a grain of sand, that gets caught in Earth's atmosphere and burns up, falling to the Earth, but never actually making impact, because it disintegrates before it gets the chance to. Meteor showers are caused by the trails of gases that a comet leaves behind as it moves through space. If this cloud of gas crosses Earth's orbit, Earth will eventually pass through it. Therefore, all the particles that make up this cloud will fall into Earth's atmosphere as it moves through the cloud. As much as we do know about comets, there's still a few mysteries surrounding them, and astronomers continue to study them today. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you next time.